Hey, you can't log into your Roblox account. This problem can happen for different reasons, like forgetting your password, server issues, or problems with your internet connection. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps to help you fix login issues and get back into your game fast. So let's get started. Before starting, make sure you have a good internet connection. If your internet connection is okay, then check Roblox server status. Open your browser, then go to status.roblox.com. See if the servers are working. If it says all systems operational, then it's okay. But if it's showing active incident, it means the server is down. Wait until they resolve the problem. Now go back to your login page and try to log in now. If it's still not working, type your email or phone number to log in instead of your username. I hope this will solve your problem. So that's how you can do if you can't log in to your Roblox account. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.